How would you feel if Bitcoin were to drop down to $10,000? Would that be a big problem for you? Today, guys, I'm going to cover this chart. This is telling us something important. How likely is it that that is actually going to happen? Well, stick around, I will show you this. Also, the interest in crypto is pretty much non-existent right now. We had the lowest volume day for Bitcoin since 2019. Also, institutions are not interested in crypto at all. We're also going to see an imminent crackdown on crypto here from Gary Gensler himself. So yeah, we have a lot of stuff to talk about today, guys. Stick around. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. With that said, guys, let's get straight into it. On my daily time frame here, nothing has happened for Bitcoin, still going sideways. We're still above the orange line here. So we're paying attention to this. Not much has changed though since the last couple of videos. Basically, since Christmas, we've had no volatility at all. We've just been going sideways. What does that mean for my long-term chart? Well, it doesn't mean that much apart from the fact that we are slowly but surely getting closer to this white line. And during this white line, this area in general is a good area to accumulate crypto. That has been the case at least during previous bull markets. But let's talk about this. How likely is it that Bitcoin is going to go down to $10,000? So the first thing I will say is that we do have this chart here showing us in every cycle here, we do have, and this is on the monthly time frame, guys. So this is high time frame to say the least. So we usually do have this little bit of a channel going down, and then eventually we hit a bottom. It's been at 86% previously, approximately between 83 to 86%. Now this channel, we go down, we hit the bottom, and then we start to pump. We do have a similar thing right here. We consolidate inside of this wedge-like formation. We go down. In this particular instance, we went down to 83. So we have 86 and 83. And guess what? We're actually in a similar kind of channel right now. And how likely is it that we're gonna go down to actually $10,000? I don't find it as likely. It's not impossible. It could definitely happen, but I do not think that it is very likely that we go all the way down to $10,000. That's just my own opinion based on the charts, based on everything that's going on. Yes, we are in a bear market. Yes, things are not looking super good right now. It's not super bullish. We have an imminent crackdown, which I'm going to get into as well. But I don't think that we're going to go all the way down to $10,000. And also, that would be 86%, minus 86%. And I do believe that in general, the drawdowns in every bull market should be a little bit lower than the previous one. So you have 86 here, you have 83. Maybe we have only 80% on this drawdown. Okay, so we know that we are already down. Well, we've already been down almost 80% here when we dipped down to, I think, $15,000. So is it impossible that we could go down to $10,000? Absolutely not. But I don't see it as likely based on the current market conditions even though it's looking very bearish right now. You know, it's always the darkest before it turns good again. And I actually think that we are not going to go all the way down here. We will see if that is going to be the case or not. On another note, we have this on the weekly time frame. So remember, this is the daily time frame. This is the monthly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. So we have to separate these things because on the weekly time frame, we actually have a bullish divergence here on the RSI. So this could suggest that we are going to have a period of some upside for Bitcoin here. And yeah, that is definitely something that I would welcome. So we have mixed signals on the weekly time frame, a little bit of a positive sign here perhaps. We have on the monthly time frame, we might continue to consolidate inside of this well, channel down. And on the daily time frame, we do have massive support here at 16,500. So we need to keep our eyes on all of this. And an update on my bot on OKX. The bots are still doing good. Bots, you know, we have so little volatility here recently that the bots haven't really been taking much action. But with time, I mean, it's continuing to chug along here. It's continuing to make profit. So that is absolutely fantastic. If you want to set up a same and similar kind of bot, I do have the tutorial here in the top of my description of this video, and also massive OKX deal. So if you want to use this bot and if you just want to take advantage of this massive offer, 15% lifetime discount and up to $40,000, make sure to sign up for OKX using this link right here. It will take you to this page. Here you have all of the conditions on how to claim up to $40,000. Just go to this, click join now using my link. You get the 15% lifetime discount as well. And then you can also set up a similar bot if you want to do that. All of the instructions are in this particular video in the top of the description right here. So just like I showed you, on this Christmas, basically, we had the lowest volume trading day ever for crypto. Well, not ever, but since 2019. So we had about 17.17 billion here in 2019, and we had on December the 25th, below $20 billion. So the volatility is not really there. There's just not that much interest in crypto right now. And that is what you want to see if you want to make a good trade. Because when no one believes in crypto, when no one is paying attention, that is usually where you, well, you don't want to buy when it's at the peak of the market, so to speak. And institutions are as well not really paying that much attention to crypto right now. So this is going to change, I believe, with regulation, which brings me to this. So Gary Gensler is telling us that we are going to see a massive crypto crackdown. This is something I've been talking about as well. We are going to see it. And he said that the runway is getting shorter. The casinos in this Wild West are non-compliant intermediaries. So I guess he's referring to exchanges. So yeah, we could see a massive crypto crackdown. What is that going to mean? We will see, guys. But this is going to happen and we just have to play it as it comes. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.